Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to make a calendar in Excel. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to make a calendar in Excel. How to make a calendar in Excel? Excel gives you the flexibility to create a personalized calendar through built-in templates. In this segment, I will teach you how to create a calendar in Excel with template. To do so, launch Excel and select New. Type calendar in the search box and press Enter. Choose a calendar template that suits your needs. Click on Create to open the template. Now, you can customize the Excel calendar template according to your preferences. To change the look of your Excel calendar, you can apply a different theme from the Page Layout tab. Click on Themes and choose one that you like from the options. This will change the style and color of your calendar. If you want to mark important dates and events, highlight the cell with color by clicking on Fill in the Home tab. You can also modify the font style, color, and size of your text to make it stand out. To keep track of important notes, you can merge some cells to create a space for writing them. Select the cells to be merged. Click Merge and Center in the Home tab. You can then type your notes in the merged cell. You have successfully created your Excel calendar using a template. Fix worksheet-related issues using Excel Repair tool. If you are facing any error or issue due to Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to make a calendar in Excel. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.